How does pattern recognition solve logic puzzles? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where everything seems random at first glance. Now picture your brain spotting a tiny, repeating detail that unlocks the whole mystery. That's what pattern recognition does. It helps you see the hidden order behind chaos. When you look at a number sequence like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, your brain notices the pattern of adding to each time. Recognizing this pattern guides you to the next number, which is 12. In logic puzzles, spotting these regularities makes complex problems easier to handle. Pattern recognition works by comparing elements and finding similarities or cycles. For example, in a puzzle with symbols, if you see a star, then a circle, then a star again, you might guess the pattern repeats. This helps you predict what comes next. When solving number puzzles, you might notice that the difference between numbers alternates or that certain numbers appear at regular intervals. These clues point to the rules that govern the puzzle. Your brain uses both visual cues and past experiences to find these patterns. It quickly tests ideas like, is this number double the previous one? Or are these symbols following a cycle? If an idea fits all parts of the puzzle, it becomes a solid rule to follow. If not, you discard it and try another. This process keeps going until the pattern is clear and the solution is found. Breaking down a puzzle into smaller parts is a key step. You might organize clues in a chart or diagram to see connections more easily. For example, in a logic grid puzzle, you use clues to eliminate impossible options. When you see that certain options don't fit the pattern, you can cross them off. This narrowing down makes the solution more obvious. Number puzzles often reveal relationships like addition, subtraction, or multiplication. Recognizing these relationships helps you understand the rules behind the puzzle. For instance, if the numbers are increasing by 3 each time, you can predict the next number and confirm your guess. This is how pattern recognition turns a confusing jumble into a clear set of steps. Using pattern recognition in logic puzzles also sharpens your thinking skills. It trains your brain to notice regularities and connections in everyday situations. Whether you're solving a puzzle or making decisions, spotting patterns helps you see what's likely to happen next. It's a skill that's useful for beyond puzzles, in math, computer programming, and even everyday problem solving. In the end, pattern recognition is like having a secret code to unlock the puzzle's mystery. It transforms guesswork into logical steps, making even the toughest puzzles manageable. By learning to see the hidden patterns, you turn chaos into clarity and confusion into solutions. That's how pattern recognition helps you crack the code of logic puzzles every time.